so we're doing part 2 of our canopy build. Sorry, it's been a long drink between the two sections, but we're going to start on the lighting of our canopy. So I still don't exactly know what I'm doing, but I'm going to give it a go. I've got some LED strips, some transformers, we've got some reed switches as well for when the door opens, it turns on the lights, and some more aluminium profiles here. But yeah, we're just going to put it in and we'll document what we do for lighting and see how we go. So we're going to go with some RGB cob strip. Out of that, got double-sided tape. We might do a cell pixie LED strip controller maybe. We've got some little reed switches for the door that are magnetic, but we'll see how we go. And then yeah, I'm thinking of using the angled profile for up in here, and then the straight profile, which is that one, just a straight down for on the top of the canopy doors, like going across here on both sides. But alright, so that's in, profiles in, LED strips is in, and I'm just putting in the diffuser in, but it's hard to push in because your door is moving at the same time. So I just take some care with it, and then you can see at the end, just got a little 10mm gap for the cable to sit in this edge here, and then it'll continue on in this here. So my central locking cabling is here, so I'll be able to put my RGB cabling in that as well to hide in the door. Alright, now do the corner piece, which I'm going to do up in this corner to shine down over this kind of internal area, and same on the other side. And this lighting is just to go straight down for when the canopy's open. So now I'm just going to measure in this internal bit. I don't know why I got a black canopy. It's hard to see anything. $1,700. Just cleaning all the surfaces with some metho, just to make sure there's no dust or debris. I'm going to stop my LED strip from sticking. Right, so I've done the LED strip, I've done the diffuser on top, I've done the two double-sided tape for the top and the side. So now I should be able to just peel this off and stick the whole complete unit in, which is probably an easier way to do it than what I did with this one, but it's alright, I can do that on the next two on the other side. I'll show you from the other side. See there, LED strip that's facing diagonal kind of down this area. So looks good. There's my cable there, so it's on the same side as that, so everything's going to kind of be mounted. I don't quite know yet, but somewhere here, but I'll just get all the cables here and then I can kind of tweak it as I need it, because I've got the dual battery and the inverter, power points, USBs, all that stuff somewhere here. I still haven't worked out where, but I'm guessing it's going to be in this back wall. So we'll just get it all to its common location and then we can kind of deal with it. Alright, so this is the door, and I've got my magnetic door switch. So that's the magnet. There's the magnet on the door and there's the switch. So when they're together in that magnetic field, the lights will be off when it's closed vision. And then once that door opens, that magnet is taken away, it's going to turn the lights on. So they'll be off and then lights will turn on. And that magnet's completely free. Alright, so we've got the LED strips in. So we've got the one there, we've got one up there, all the cables coming back. We've got this reed switch here with the magnet here, and then on the other side we've got one LED strip there, again one in the corner, and the reed sensor here. So that one's got an extra long one for that, so that will pass through in there, shoot across and have it all in there. And my cabling as well for the RGB will go across to all that in that corner. So that's that done, and we'll just keep going with the Light Dream controller, 24 volt or 12 volt reed sensors, so you can have up to 4 reed sensors. I've just got one plugged in, and that's the Cell Pixie smart controller for the RGB, which I may use, I may not, see how it goes on the Bluetooth. As usual, the boss sleeping on the job. Alright, day 2 of this, because I got a bit distracted the other day, or yesterday, so I've come back. So, but again, all the LED strips in, I've done all the split conduit there, all that cabling goes in this channel across to that side. So, and then again, same with the split conduit here, still got my reed switch there, and then these are my 4 ends for the RGB LED strips. I've run them all individually, so in case one stuffs up, at least I can work out which one it is easily, all in the one spot without disconnecting and trying to work it out. So I've got them, and then these are my 2 reed switches. So now I'm just going to do some testing. I'll hook up the reed switch now, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, we've got the reed switch here, we've got the Cell Pixie RGB controller. So let's hook all these up, hook the reed switch up. We need a little loop between this and this, and then I need to get power to the reed switch first before I get to this. So let's do some wiring and go from there. The wiring's done. I'm just going to test fit it for you guys so you can see it's working and what I've kind of done, but I'm going to fix all the wiring and put it where I want to put it. I'm not sure yet because of the dual battery hasn't come yet. I don't know where it's going to fit. So we've got power in, coming in to the Light Dream reed sensor controller. So power into there, power out. These are the 2 reed switches connected in. Power out goes to this RGB LED strip controller in, and then the output is those 4 LED strips RGB. And then on this side you can add like bell press switches if you want, and memory. There's a control button as well. So let's power up, see what it does. Alright, let's now it's starting to actually show you. Got the one there, got the corner ones. Actually can't really good. Now you can actually see inside now. So here's just that valve press to turn them off and on, and then also the Bluetooth with the cell pixies hooked up. So as you can see here, we've got the RGB strip, and then off, on, got all the colors, blue, and then also dim that as well. So off, on, and there's also white here, and then you can also do like smooth. So a bit slow RGB if you want it, speed it up, but just put that to white. But yeah, come up pretty good. Haven't got the read sensors connected up. They were playing funny with me, so just doing the RGB controller for now and see what they look like. But really happy with this spot actually. I was scared of this slit, but when you're actually standing here, you can't kind of see it, and it's not glaring in your eyes, it's kind of blocked, which is kind of nice. So when you're under here, it's actually really nice.